Got a question on TikTok asking, Rob, I just paid an attorney about 16 grand in attorney's fees to evict the tenant. The tenant, I guess, got to stay in the unit for 6 months and didn't pay any back rent. Doesn't think that's fair. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Boy on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, you know what? This TikTok questionnaire has learned what I think all of us in the landlord-tenant business kind of already know already. And I tell my clients this, I'll repeat it. You know, there's right, there's wrong, and then there's the law, okay? And there's no such thing as, is it fair or not in the law, okay? I would tell you my personal views about this. What that scenario does happen fairly often for a number of different reasons. You know, landlords have to go through procedures and court processes, and these things take time. Do I think it's right morally? Or, you know, as, you know, from a guy off the street? Absolutely not. I don't think that's right at all. But the problem is, it's how the laws, you know, kind of the processes and so forth. It's kind of how it's designed. And this story is not that uncommon, okay? That you might have to wait several months. You might have to make deals with tenants just to get them out of a home, basically, to just forego back rent and so forth. I got a lot of angry owners that are like, that's just money like down the drain and so forth. But then again, too, I go to the landlord and go, listen, you know, your scenario is your tenant doesn't work, doesn't have a job. They're making like minimum wage and so forth like that. They're going to be very hard to collect. In a lot of cases, the cases I deal with, that's the type of person I'm dealing with, okay? It's better just to get possession of the property as quickly as possible so you can get a new tenant in that's going to be good, pay your rent on time, and not be a problem. Do I think this is right? Absolutely not. But it's kind of just the way it is, okay? And sometimes if you do a lot of these, you have a lot of doors and rental units, you kind of get used to that. So if you're facing a landlord-tenant situation problem as a landlord and you're in the Northern California area, feel free to reach out. We might be able to help out. Put your comments, questions down below. Until next time, folks, I'll talk to you then. Thanks.